Coming at you with some quick aerokinesis tips. Let's get right into it. This does get a little bit redundant, and practicing aerokinesis is a form of this, but meditation is key. All it takes is just a couple minutes just to quiet your mind and set your intention properly. This does involve a form of energy manipulation, so try to visualize your own energy or life force connecting with the air. Try to imagine that energy is flowing from your body and merging with it. Start with gentle movements. Imagine like a light breeze or a gentle gust of wind, or try to influence the air with your thoughts. Extend your hand and imagine the air responding to your mental commands. The goal initially is just to get a connection with the air and see how you can directly influence whatever you're trying to do. If you don't get it immediately, that's perfectly fine. Think of it like lifting weights. The more you practice, the better you get at it. One of the things I definitely recommend doing is recording your progress. Whenever you meditate, try recording that session, especially if you're outdoors, and see how your environment responds to you taking deep breaths, and responds to the changes in your energy and your mind as you meditate. Oftentimes, your environment will get activated passively through meditation. Also, watch how other people use aerokinesis themselves, even fictional characters. Take time to study how they connect with the air and how they influence it in different ways. And aside from that, there are a lot of other creators on here who do practice aerokinesis and share their abilities. Peace and blessings, and I hope you guys have a great day.